Are you curious to learn what data science is? Well, you've come to the right place. Step inside and take a look with me. Dave has always worked with numbers. As an analyst at his job, one day he comes across a new buzzword, data science, that piques his interest. He is curious to learn more about data science, so he researches. The term data science can mean many things and take on different definitions, depending on where you look. Over the years, it has become a buzzword full of intrigue and mystique. Even a famous HBR article calls data science the sexiest job of the 21st century. Data science is an interdisciplinary field. It combines specializations across statistics, computer programming, and mathematics. At its core, data science deals with vast data and uses modern tools and techniques to identify patterns, derive meaningful insights, and present findings to make better informed decisions. Across different industries, organizations are using data science to turn data into competitive advantages to drive better products and service offerings. For example, in the e-commerce industry, data collection and analysis from past customer transactions can help recommend similar products, adjacent products, and other related products to increase sales revenue per transaction. The data science workflow. As a data science practitioner, you will go through a workflow for each business problem or personal project you tackle. You will usually go through 6 steps for each project to recommend a solution to your data-driven problem. The data science workflow includes 1. Define the problem, 2. Collect the data, 3. Prepare the data, 4. Analyze the data, 5. Feature engineering, 6. Build the model. What skills do you need to become a skilled data scientist? Influential data scientists can identify relevant questions, collect data from a multitude of different data sources, organize the information, translate results into solutions, and communicate their findings in a way that positively affects business decisions. To be a skilled data scientist, you will need to know the following: computer science and programming skills, including Python, R, and SQL, statistical probability and mathematical skills, communication, storytelling, and data visualization skills, domain expertise. Dave concludes his brief research. He finds that there are many layers to data science. The topic of data science is highly extensive and requires further understanding across different disciplines and specializations. This is for another time. Stay tuned for more in-depth learnings in future videos. To learn more, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.